Let's see what's going on in here. Man, I don't know what I'm doing. They're sending me to those units. Let's see. Oh my god. I'm tired already. And getting closer. And closer. And closer. And more stairs. Oh boy. Man, if I have a choice of having a superpower, I will choose teleport. Just with your finger snap. F16. I need F15. That's F16. G15. F15. Let's see. Alright, so let's go to history. History, faults, eductor, clog fault. What is that? And it's system 2. August 4, today, 7:30 in the morning. What is that? So system 2, let's go to system 2. That's oil, no. Discharge, no. Let's go more. Suction, no. Liquid, no. Eductor. Discharge. Discharge, eductor. So are they trying to say suction? 100 suction and going out 96. Let's see if that thing is failing. Let's take a look at that sensor. Alright, so I took the panel off and I was looking and I didn't like this guy because it sits here at the suction. This is the suction, I believe. Yes, that guy used to sit here. So I'm gonna let it sit outside right here. This guy used to sit here. I'm gonna let it sit here, get my gauge. Get my gauge, which is that. What is it now? 89? 88. Let me give it a minute. Yeah, because this guy, since it was in my bag and it picks up some heat, so now it's 85. 85 degrees. Alright, 85. Let's see. Let's see. Go back. Still 100. It's still 100. So that's 15 degrees difference. Still 100. Wow, that was simple. Wow, I didn't know that. Let me see if I can get that sensor and replace it and see if that will fix the problem. Let me go grab one. You know what? One more thing I want to do. Let me get that. Let's see something, because I chased that line and when I went back they went to that bigger file. Let's get on these and see if there's any temperature difference in between. Sorry, I was recording. There you go. So that filter dryer is good. Sometimes if it's clogged, when you will see a difference in temperatures, so you will know that this guy is clogged, but it's not clogged. Since that was in the same line, hey, I say let me just see, because I don't know what I'm doing now. I just want to make sure I just double check that. So that is good. So it's the sensor. It's the sensor what it's failed. Let's go grab one. Alright, going back to get that sensor. Let's see. Exercise. This guy got me the sensor. Man, look how fancy is this thing. They got you the sensor, they got you zip ties, they got you, that's funny, the foil. Look at that. Man, never saw something like this in my life. So I know, and you guys know, when you buy this, that it has, it's a kit, it's not only a sensor. Nice. Alright, on my way back to that dinosaur. Alright, I'm back. F15, remember? Alright, let's go system 2. Go down to eductor. It's still 100 degrees. Alright, let's replace that. Leave it in the ambient. And see what it's gonna give me. This was 84, remember? Let's see. Oh. The new one in. Here's the bad one out. You stay here. Oh my god, I'm tired. So it was 85. Ah, look at that. 85. Alright, I'm gonna put that guy back with the zip ties and tape and all of that back here. And reset the code. I think, I'm not sure. Oh, one more thing. It does has the paste. Look at that. So now you know. And I know. Because my experience is 2 days and 35 hours and that's 3 days. Yeah. 2 days, 16 hours and 35 seconds. That's what I mean. Alright, I put that inside. Let's get that toothpaste to keep its teeth clean. Where is the cover? Come on. This will keep its teeth clean, right? Maybe this is to keep the sensor from getting corroded. Ah, okay. See, I'm learning. Yeah, I'm still learning. Let me get the tape and cover it. Cover that insulation, zip tie it, I'll get back to you guys. All right. So I got it inside, cover it with insulation so it stays nice and warm, and so it doesn't get sick when it gets cold in here, right? Yeah. Let's go and see. It's 79. Well, system 2 is off. Let's reset. Let's reset that. Reset lockout. No, that's system 1. System 2. The whole thing will come off. Alright. Yeah. So we got it insulated so it won't get sick, right? We all know that is because it doesn't read any temperature from outside air or from any other temperature than the inside. I know that. I know I'm new, but not that new. Alright, it's coming on. Let's clean up. Oh my god. Stay here. Dropping. All right, we're gonna watch it and see if that's a success. I'll add that to my resume. I'm an eductor sensor experience. Yeah, replacement experience. All right, let me let it run and I'll get back to you guys. Matter of fact, just system 2 is running. Let's go system 2 and see if this has a timer for how long it's been running. Does it? Let's see. System 2, come on, more. Ah, here. Yeah, it does. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Oh, okay. See, every day you learn a new thing. Let's watch this and come back to it. Oh my god, they shut it down. Remote control shut down. They shut it down from the from downstairs. I'm gonna call them back and ask them to turn it back on because I'm testing that sensor. All right, I call it a day. I call them and they say this is it's satisfied and we can't turn it on more than how it is now. It's too cold. So they shut it off, and I would say that's it. Yeah, we both learned a new thing today, so that was easy. And the unit is up and running. That was the issue. It's the sensor. If you find this code is the sensor, or if it's that dryer. If you see that dryer, check the temperature before and after. There could be a clog for older units. Those units are new. So older units, you could find a clog, and the way to do that, you need to transfer the refrigerant from the evaporator to the condenser side. Hopefully one day, if I have that issue, I'll show you the process from A to Z. It's very easy. You just transfer with your recovery machine from the evaporator to the condenser side, and then you unsweat that. I mean, you. It's a flare. It's a flare dryer. It's not sweating. You just it's a bolt. You loosen it. You take that dryer off. You put the new dryer on. Simple, very simple. And then you know the procedure. You put the vacuum pump, and then release the refrigerant from the condenser side back to the evaporator and run it. That is one of the other issues for the older units. But in this case, it was the sensor. This happens. They fail. It's machines. It happens. You replace that. Simple as you saw. All right. Thank you. Let me go back. Put back my camping gear. Walking all the way to there. From there, which is water, the umbrella, Gatorade, all of that. Make sure you get enough liquid because this is hot. I'm in Texas, and if you are in Texas, you know what I'm talking about. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you learned something new. Like me, I just learned something new. Yeah. All right, thanks.